How liquid do you need to be if you want to start a business?
Well, first of all, syempre, you have to raise enough to create that. But secondly, was also young. I didn't realize that. But, through the years, ang realization ko, when you go into business, you have to assume na manlugi kayo for maybe 6 months to a year. Basta kailangan may budget kayo and open yourself to the possibility. You could lose money and possibly, can you afford to lose all of that money? Kasi may chance din naman na malugi kayo. Kaya nga, so, pag-isipan niyo talaga ng mabuti. If you really want to do that. So, rather than mabibigla kayo, kasi you need that runway na makilala kayo. Kung maganda talaga produkto niyo, put all your heart and soul into it. And then, if it doesn't work, then huwag kayo mapikon kasi that's just how it is when you get into business. Di ba? High risk, high reward.